Hi everyone, this is the codes for the Mometrix for the National Counselor's Mental Health Counseling Exam. So these codes, as well as the other ones, are good until June the 30th. So if you have not liked and hit the notifications, please do so. Support this channel. I really appreciate you being here. And without further ado, here are the codes. Keep in mind of how to use these codes. As you can tell, each code and each subject has their own different code. These codes correspond to the subject that you want to test yourself in. These codes will also be put into the quiz app, Quizziz. That way you can practice on the quiz app or on the computer. Also, you don't have to create a profile for quiz, but it's good because it'll allow you to see what you've done so far. So, like and study it, and I'll catch you on next time.